Hey everyone, it's Char from CHARS Fashion Nation. If you want to know, this is the Curst Cosmetics nail polish on my nails. I put the black and then I put the green. Always very pretty. This is not nail polish. Get out my iconic scissors. I love Curst Cosmetics. I don't love how the Postal Service handled my package. Who does anymore? Like, come on now. This is people's packages and it's always labeled fragile, which I don't know. Anyway, so let's open this up. So on social media, I had labeled, is it a mystery or is it cursed fun? Again, the tape is loose, so let's hope somebody didn't get into this, because around here, they will do that. If they want some, they need to buy their own and use my code. There are 3 codes that they can use. They can use CHARS, they can use Christine, or they can use STEPHANIEGR. That's right. So far, there are 3 Maven codes that I use. Okay. My invoice is in here, so that's something you don't need. There is a thank you card. It's always a thank you card, and I appreciate that. You're welcome. You're welcome. And there's a little code for you to scan. Is there some coffee in here? It's a mystery box. You never know. Never know. Oh, there is. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You guys, I will tell you. This is the pre-ground. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be excited for using this. I just used up the coffee bean. I did. So, okay. I see a few things. Is this the headband? Oh, I needed a replacement headband. Yes. I needed a replacement headband. Mine, I don't even know what happened to it. That thing just magically disappeared. So there's a replacement headband. Yes. I can't find mine. So this shall come in handy. I know that looks funny. I don't have that round part to the back of my head anymore. So what I usually do is bring it down over my ears a bit, just so it stays put. I know that's funny looking. Put my braid back. So I'm excited for that. Okay. Now, the skincare I will be keeping. This is a lip mask. I knew that there was something. Ooh, the stuff is so good. I'm happy for that. So, the next thing in here is is this one of the... This is the brow pomade. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this. This is new to Curst Cosmetics, is the brow pomade. There's definitely stuff in here that I am keeping or using as backup just in case. Or unless I have a friend that I want them to try the brand. So, okay, this one is called Blonde, right? Now, I could work with this and just kind of work it in as an undertone for my eyebrows. But let's open this. It's got that, which I love that safety seal on it. Because, look, when you get the safety seals on there like that, that is good. Look. Now, you can use that brow pomade in different shades. even though this one came in blonde, which obviously I'm not blonde. Use this as an undertone when you go to do your brows. And we'll end up doing that on a different day. Y'all, I have this, and I got this. No, they're the same. They're the same. It's the same one. And I'm not mad at that. Use it as backup. That's your backup, right? These are so cute. So you got this one that's already in here. This is why this is a mystery, because you may already have a product from it. So this is mine, and this is an extra. So I'm going to use it as backup. Now, this is from Vampires Everywhere. I do still have the eyeshadow palette, but let me show you with mine. This is the color. I have used it with some black, so that's why there's some black on there. That's the color. You can use this on your lip, your eye, and your cheek. So I do love this. I'll put this over. This is my box. I usually keep the little display piece, because if you get two and you put them different ways, then look, you have like the full-on piece. So this is my extra. I'll just put that over there. I think I might have this one too. Let's see. I need my glasses for this, but I'm not sure if I have that one. I think I might as a lip color. Potion. I'm not sure if I have Potion. Let me look, because y'all know my stuff is not that far away. I keep my lippies over here. This is my absolute favorite right here. Ritual. Tombstone. Tombstone is the gray one. That one's also pretty. So, let me see. This one, I believe, is Necromancy. Yeah, this one's Necromancy. So, no, I didn't have this one. I do now. Plus, I had thought about getting this one, so this is saved. If you get the mystery box, it might not be the same as what I got. Glad I got this lip color. Yes. Like I said, I almost bought this one, but she was running low. So today I'm just going to do the unboxing, and then later on we will play with it. You never know. Gosh, she has these in here really good. Push that up with your finger. I have nails on, so that might be a little harder for me. Ooh, take them glasses off. Woo, got that out of the box. She does that with some really good packaging. Okay, so look, this one is the Necromancy. That's a beautiful purple. And look, two different colors. I think this is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the new one. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Smells like some sort of candy. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. You know, I have to rearrange all my lip colors now. But that's all right. And then, oh, that's volume 2. Okay. Look, I'm going to show you something. This is what came in. This is volume 2. And if you haven't been around long enough to my channel, why are these dusty? I do use these. Oh, anyway. This is Fat Plush Volume 1. because, like, when I put stuff back. Anyway, this is volume 1. Very bold, very gorgeous colors, very beautiful. Oh, you know what that might be from? Because I grabbed... No, that can't be from the coffee. Anyway, doesn't matter. I probably just needed to dust them off anyway. So, oh, that's right. I opened something the other day in here, and it kind of went all airborne anyway. This is volume 2. That's what this is. That's what this is. This is volume 2. Now, I'm not going to swatch what's in here. Y'all, usually I save this stuff for when I want to, you know, you know what it is? Post office mishandled this package so much that even when I'm feeling on these, when I picked up the other 2, it's coffee ground. That's why that's like that in the bottom of the box. That's coffee grounds. They mishandled the package that bad. So that does explain that when I picked it up, and it's like it might have dusted across. But it's not the fault of Curst Cosmetics. It's the fault of the post office. Learn how to be nicer to our stuff. Anyway, this is volume 2. Put the little saver thingy back over on it because it got stuck on the mirror. I don't know why. Volume 2. A little coffee ground might have gotten in there. Little bit of coffee ground got in there. So anyway, volume 2, which I will not touch because I already have. It, like I said, these are nice for backup. I may have a friend that wants this. Rob's daughter might want it. I'll ask him if she wants it. If not, I'll save it. These are beautiful. So that's what was in this mystery box. That's a dang good mystery box. If you don't think that's a dang good mystery box, I don't know what's wrong with you. Also, if you want to become a behaving maven like myself, go over to Curst Cosmetics, C-U-R-S-T, Cosmetics spelled with a K. Enjoy some very cursed makeup that's so beautiful. And these are extras, y'all. These are extras. So anyway, I have to get back to making dinner, but I'm so happy I could show this to you. And like I said, I'm going to keep the lip mask because I have one. I haven't used it yet, but I do at least want to use one of these, especially in the winter. You want to use this in the winter. I mean, even in the summer, but in the winter, your lips might get a little more chapped from it being cold out. You know, that makes some sort of sense. So anyway, we got this. Almost forgot. We got this. I'm super excited. We got the extra volume 1 Bat Blush. Those are beautiful. If you want that very light makeup, no makeup day, you can also put it on your eye. And then we got the extra of this, which I'm excited for. You know, like I said, you can use this on your eye, your cheek, and your lip. And then we got the coffee that the post office mishandled. I'm going to have to check the bag. This is sealed, So I don't know how that coffee ground got in there. It's from somewhere, but it smells so good. It does smell so good. That's why I'm checking this, to see if they broke a seal on it and if that's how it got through. Or it might have just been squished up and it snuck through. So, again, it's the post office mishandling of our mail. Just going to shake this down. Amazonian Gold Coffee. When I used to say Death Wish coffee, after you've tried Death Wish, no other coffee matters, that has changed to Amazonian Gold Coffee. Because if you want that golden flavor of that beautiful Amazonian coffee, this is the coffee to try. They have several different blends just for you to try. These are the samples that you get from Curst Cosmetics, and I hope you give it a try. They come in pre-ground like this bag, or they come in whole bean like the other bag. So this is my new brand to let you know to try. That's not my brand. It's a brand of Curst Cosmetics' dad owns Amazonian Gold Coffee. So I will leave Curst Cosmetics linked below, but I will leave the link for Amazonian Gold Coffee in the pinned comment. So with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And now that we figured that out, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Post office, start handling our mail better. You're shiesty. Lately they are.